Well, hello everybody.
Hello everybody!
Today I got another video. This time's gonna be showing you how to connect the remote that this the tripod little tripod comes in. I'm gonna be showing you how to pair it with your Canon camera G7X specifically. So yeah, let's get to it. So that goes in there. So first, I'm just gonna put the camera in the mini tripod. So let me do that real quick, and I'll get back to this. So basically, all you do is just place it on top of this little metal part sticking out, and then just twist on these gears right here. Just twist it, and then it'll screw in. So yeah, so what you want to do is on your camera, let me focus. There's gonna be this little button there, right there. Get it to focus. Right there, you're gonna press on that.
2 hours later.
You're gonna press on that, and you're gonna see there's a little controller here. Gonna hit this one, and then gonna hit. So it would take you to the screen right here. You would say add a device. So you would click there. Since I already added mine in there, it's not gonna come up as if you want to pair it. So mine's already in there. I have to delete mine and repair it in order for me to do it again. But yeah, you would click add a device, and it will tell you to pair with the controller. Now, once it tells you that, once you click there, you're gonna come out to your little remote, and you would press the zoom in and the zoom out button. So the W and the T, you would press those at the same time for about 3 seconds. And yeah, it would pair it, and you should be good. You're able to take this off, so just like that. You can turn your you could turn this into a little tripod, go like this, and then just fix this like that. Yeah, you just keep it here. You could record, zoom in, zoom out, whatnot. Yeah. So you would just turn your camera on. So yeah, you would have it would start recording. See? Make it stop. So yeah, guys, this is how to connect your remote to your Canon G7X camera. Yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yeah, thanks.